Mornings are tough, but a good breakfast, that's non-negotiable. So that's why today we're showing you 3 exciting recipes that will turn any lazy morning into a flavor fest. Ready? Let's get started. We're starting with the Middle Eastern classic Shakshuka. For this, boil some tomatoes, peel them off and get your pan sizzling with oil. Now toast in chopped onions and garlic, and now add your boiled tomatoes, red bell peppers, cumin, chili powder and salt. Cover and let the flavors come together. Here's the best part. Break in 4 eggs right on top of that tomato mix. Cover again and let them cook till just set. Now sprinkle some garam masala, pepper and coriander. And there you go, breakfast goals served hot. Now next up, we're going desi and bold. The Surati style egg omelette is not your regular breakfast. Now for this, beat some eggs with salt, pepper and a splash of milk till frothy. Now meanwhile, heat oil, add ginger garlic paste, onions and tomatoes. Once that softens up, mix in boiled egg yolk, coriander, capsicum, green chilies and our favorite spice squad, turmeric, red chili and cumin powder. Now mash it all up for that signature street style texture. Now pour in your egg mix on a hot pan, swirl and let it set. Now flip carefully, spoon in the masala, fold and boom, that's flavor wrapped in protein. Now, the next one, running late, this one's your savior. For this, beat an egg, add salt, pepper, baking powder, oil, spring onions and cheese. Now pour it into a mug, then break another egg right on top. And add a dash of seasoning, sprinkle more cheese, why not? And microwave for just 2 minutes. Fluffy, cheesy and ready before your coffee is even done brewing. Now garnish with spring onion greens and you've got a cafe style breakfast in a cup. Now tell us, which one are you trying first? Drop your pic in the comments and don't forget to share this with your breakfast buddy. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.